Hello friends, and a good day to you. In today's problem sums video, we will discuss fractions and grouping question. Alright, we have to use sets. Okay, we have to put the coins into sets, find the number of sets, and then from there find the number of coins. Okay, so let's begin. Kumar saved a total of $108 in coins in his coin box. 2/3 of all the coins saved were $1 coins. There were 3 times as many $1 coins as 50-cent coins. Alright, so if for example the 50-cent coins is 1 unit, the $1 coin will be 3 units. That's what it means. Okay, but I would like you to also observe this right now. This particular statement. 2/3 of the coins saved were $1 coins. Alright, which means that the $1 coin from this highlighted statement is actually 2 units. Which is a problem for us because the next statement tells us that there were 3 times as many $1 coins as 50-cent coins. So $1 coin should actually be having a units that is a multiple of 3. Either 3 units here, 1 unit here, or 6 units here, 2 units here. It's always going to be 1:3. This $1 coin has to always be 3 times as many as 50-cent coins. Alright, so right from the get-go, we have to understand that this fraction has got to be changed. Okay, we need to modify this fraction a bit. 2/3 of all the coins were $1 coins, right? Which means this one is for the $1 coins, and this is actually the total number of coins. Okay, again I repeat this, it poses for us a problem because this has to be a multiple of 3 just by going or just by looking at this particular statement right here. Alright, so how do I change this into a multiple of 3? We can actually take 2, multiply it by 3 to get to 6. So which means that out of all the coins, 6 out of 9 are $1 coins. Alright, so this becomes your $1 coins. There are 6 units of it. This fella right here is your total units for the coins. Alright, so 6 units of coins are $1. 9 units is a total number of coins. Now, which tells us that since the $1 coin is 6 units, we can proceed to find the 50-cent coins based on this particular statement alone. Alright, we have yet to read the remaining questions. Why? Because I really want you all to address this fraction and this 3 times statement first. Okay, so again, just by looking at this, we will know that the 50-cent coins will be 6 divided by 3, which is 2 units. Okay, why? Again, why? Because this guy here has to be 3 times as much as this. Alright, now the remaining coins were 20-cent coins. From here, remaining coins were 20-cent coins. Remember, the total coins is now 9 units, out of which 6 units is for $1 coins, 2 units is for 50-cent coins. The remaining will be 20-cent coins, which means we can find for the 20-cent coins, we will be able to say that this 9 minus 6 minus 2, 1 unit of 20-cent coins exists. Okay, so the question is, how many coins did Kumar save in his coin box altogether? Alright, so now that we know the individual units, right, $1 coins, 50-cent coins, and also 20-cent coins, we can actually set them or group them into one group or one set. So in one set, we will have 6 $1 coin, we will have 2 50-cent coins, we will have 1 20-cent coin. Okay, so this is how your one set will look like. 6 times of the $1 coin, And then you have 2 times of the 50-cent coins. Okay, change it all to dollar sign so it's easier, because why? The total right here is given in dollars. And then 1 times of the 20-cent coins. Of course, this guy does not just have one set. Okay, this is one set, or you can say one group. You can use a group as well. Okay, of course, he doesn't just have one set or one group, because he has a total of $108. So he has so many of these groups. Okay, so what we can do is this: the cost of one set of coins, we find that first. So 6 times $1, right, plus 2 times 50 cents plus 1 times 20 cent. Okay, let's calculate this. So 720. Okay, this is one set. Again, I repeat this. Of course, he does not just have $7.20. He has many of these sets. The next thing to do is to find the number of sets. Okay, so for this, we take the total amount, divide by the value of each set. Let's do that. 108 divided by 720, 15 sets. Alright, question is, how many coins did he save altogether? 15 sets. Number of coins. Multiplied by in each set, my friends. There's 6, $1. There's 2, 50 cents. There's 1, 20 cents. So 15 times 6 plus 2 plus 1 first. 15 times 9. Alright, so let's do that. Final answer, 135 coins. Okay, so go ahead, pause this video, try this question out again. Alright, this is on the technique of fractions. There's also this very useful skill of grouping involved as well. Thank you very much.